Imagine splitting a Lego block in half, and when it splits, it releases a ton of energy. That's the basic idea behind nuclear fission. But instead of Lego blocks, we're talking about atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything around us. Before we talk about fission, let's quickly explain what an atom is. Think of an atom as a tiny ball. In the middle of the ball is something called the nucleus, which is made of two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Around the nucleus, you have electrons zipping around like bees near a hive. Simple, right? Now, imagine this nucleus is like a stack of Lego blocks. Fission happens when a tiny particle called a neutron crashes into this stack. The impact is so strong that the stack splits into two smaller pieces. And guess what? It releases a lot of energy, kind of like a mini explosion. When the atom splits, a little bit of the matter in the nucleus turns into pure energy. This is what powers things like nuclear power plants. And yes, nuclear bombs too. It's like turning a few Lego pieces into a giant firework. So, where do we use fission? Nuclear power plants use fission to make electricity. It's like using the energy from splitting atoms to power the lights in your house. Pretty cool, right? So, to sum it up, fission is like splitting a Lego stack. But instead of toys, it's atoms. And when atoms split, they release a ton of energy we can use. It's one of the coolest ways we humans have figured out how to make power. Got more big questions you want to understand? Hit that subscribe button.